Hello friends, very good morning. Welcome back to my channel. This is Sandeep. Let's look at the pre-market update, how it looks today. The global markets yesterday, US markets closed on positive side. Both Nasdaq and Dow closed good, but especially Nasdaq outperformed Dow, closed around 140 points higher. So that's a good thing. Global markets are still going on bull run. Similarly, with European markets are also very positive yesterday. Today, Asian markets opened slightly on negative side, especially SGS Nifty is down by 17 points at 8 a.m. today when I'm recording this. So this should indicate a cautious start for us. Yesterday was similar to that. We have opened good, but got down into a selling pressure at the end of the day, maybe because of Thursday expiry. So there would be some selling over there. So if you look at the pre-market update, as I said, Nifty is down around 15 points when I've written this. Similarly, yesterday markets tried to move further up, reacting to the RBI policy, which came out good, though the stance was expected to maintain same interest and repo rates, but still there are a lot of assurance from chairman, they'd be RBI also would be participating in the markets, for economic growth. That gave some momentum. Try to move further up or above 15,000 levels, but selling pressure came after it reached 15,000, so it couldn't sustain there. Now it's very clear the markets are moving like sell on rise. So the moment it goes above 15,000, people started shorting on that. uh, this was supported by FIIs bought finally 110 crores. They were selling side, off late. DAS continue to be on buying side, which is a bit surprise because they generally do a lot of selling. But at the market lower levels, generally domestic institutions, generally they buy at lower levels, and FIIs generally buy at higher levels. So now it shows that DA is supporting market at these levels. So it's a good thing. If you look at the open interest data, so 15,000 has maximum open interest of 24 lakhs contract or something like that, and 15,500 followed by, and the maximum call rating was seen at 15,200 and 15,000. So the maximum call rating was seen. So people are confident that the market may not move further up above 15,200. So they were rating aggressively at 15,000 strikes and 15,200 strikes. So similarly, if you look at the puts, 14,000 and 14,500 maximum open interest. The maximum put rating was seen at 14,800 and 14,700. So it shows that they don't want to slip further below 14,000. The 14,000 has maximum support. So this series should have 14,000 should act as key support level, and similarly 15,000 should act as major resistance. Similarly, the max pain is at 14,700. Still, smart people are doing 14,800 and 14,700 and straddles more. So that gives good premium for them, because the premiums are very high. The market should move around 500, 600 points to make them something lose in that particular straddle. Now what happened, the intraday movements, even if you think about bank nifty, so 900,000 points, anything around 1,000 points, and nifty around 200, 300 points, movement in intraday become is a new normal. This volatility we have to live with this new volatility, because this is something we have never seen in the markets of 200 points, 300 points intraday movement of nifty. So this volatility become our new thing in the market, so we have to live with it. This is mainly due to the new SEBI rules, because they are very strict on the intraday margins, especially. So that also impacted the volume, that reduced the volumes as well, and that created so much volatility in the market. Today, if you look at the key support levels at Bank Nifty and Nifty futures, major support. I'll show it in the graph as well, followed by. So if you look at the graph, so Nifty has major resistance. If you look at these points, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times it tried to cross over 980 in the futures side. 14. I'm talking about Nifty futures. So 14,980. It tried so many times, but it couldn't resist above that. So yesterday also it tried to go over 14,980 around 15,100 range, 15,050, 60 range, but end of the day it closed below that. So unless if close above 14,980 around 15 above 15,000, we cannot consider again it as a bull run. So till then the market goes up, and there will be a severe selling pressure, and it will come down. And similarly 14,400 acts as a crucial support. Similarly, Bank Nifty as well. If you look at the Bank Nifty, 32,580. So look at these point, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times it tried to reach that point and try to go up, but somehow the resistance is there. So the crucial support for Bank Nifty is 32,580. So if it goes below, then we have to see a very steep fall for Bank Nifty as well. And the resistance side, previously the support level was at 33,300. If you look at these graphs, so this is continuously meeting this line and going up to 34,000. But somehow now that resistance acted as that support now acted as resistance for Bank Nifty. So now 33,380 as maximum resistance for Bank Nifty. It has to cross above that to sustain, to reach further levels. So this is the major updates. No things happen much. So probably we might the stocks in ban. I think sale is in still continuing under F&O ban. Uh, we have to wait for the corporate results. So that is one thing, probably I'll be posting in. So that would add up some interest in the stock level movements. So that's it, friends. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you not subscribed it, please subscribe my channel. So help me to encourage and do such kind of videos. Hoping to see you soon with another update. Thank you. Have a great day and happy trading, and have profitable one. Take care.